Hey folks, here I was in Cornwall. I had been out with my DJI Mini 3 Pro, such a wonderful drone, and I wanted to just share some of the videos that I'd captured from that day. Absolutely beautiful landscapes here, captured perfectly on DJI's flagship mini drone. Seriously folks, if you find yourselves around here, just make sure you bring it with you. And I know some people consider it to be a little bit gimmicky, but the hyperlapse is one of my favourite features available with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and with such a beautiful landscape, I had to get at least one. Honestly folks, I had such a great day here flying my Mini 3 Pro. Now, I was a little bit concerned because the weather had just gotten so hot by this point. But seriously, this drone just handled it like a champ. It did a far better job actually than I did. I was absolutely sweating by this point. It was so warm. And in all honesty, I don't get to fly over the sea all that much because I don't live by a beach. Now, it's always a little bit more of a nerve-wracking experience when you're not used to it. And honestly, it just provides a little bit more exhilaration. I know it sounds strange, but I have to say that flying over water, it's sort of a different experience than flying over land. And I've purposefully not colour graded this footage apart from the hyperlapse because not everybody wants to spend their time in editing software, and I really just wanted to showcase what the Mini 3 Pro is capable of straight out of the box. And I hope you folks will agree that this is just amazing. When you think this drone weighs under 250 grams, just think how much this technology has come on over the years and where it might go in the near future.